Hello, Karina Essa here, and in this video I'll explain what Web 3.0 is and its importance. You might have noticed that the term Web 3.0 has been used a lot to describe the latest version of the internet. But to better understand what Web 3.0 is, we need to look at the history and evolution of the internet. In other words, look at Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Web 1.0, also known as the static web, refers to the internet from 1989 to 2005. With Web 1.0, you could only consume passively information on the internet, and there was hardly any user interaction. You couldn't easily create web pages or comment on content. In fact, content was created and published on the internet only by very few people. Plus, Web 1.0 didn't have a system to sift through pages on the internet, making it hard for someone to find what he was looking for. The information provided mainly came from directories. From 2005 until now, the internet evolved and is now referred to as Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is a much more interactive internet where users can not only consume information but also interact with the information, share information with other users, and publish content thanks to new technologies such as JavaScript and HTML5. This allows social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter to really flourish. Although we are still in the Web 2.0 era, new technologies will make us enter the new phase of the internet, Web 3.0. Web 3.0 was initially called the semantic web by World Wide Web inventor Tim Berners-Lee. Web 3.0 is the third phase of the internet where we will experience a data-driven web. In other words, we will be using a machine-based understanding of data. Web 3.0 will be a much more intelligent internet because information will be processed with human-like intelligence thanks to artificial intelligence. For example, if you were looking to book a holiday right now, you would have to spend quite a lot of time looking at different flight and accommodation websites, read reviews, visit the websites of each potential hotel. Then if you would want to rent a car, you would have to go through the same process, which could take several hours until you booked a holiday that matched your selection criteria and budget. With Web 3.0, the process of booking a holiday to making any other type of purchase online will be much faster because with artificial intelligence, the search results will already be tailored based on your profile and history. In other words, it will be a new type of internet that interprets what you search accurately, whether you're searching it through text, voice, or any other media. In fact, marketing messages will be much more targeted to you and therefore much more effective. Companies won't have to spend thousands, even millions of dollars in wasted marketing campaigns sent to the wrong target audience. Web 3.0 will also be decentralized and built on the blockchain, transparent and open with more user utility. In other words, data will be interconnected in a decentralized way as opposed to controlled by just a few organizations and groups of people as it is currently. Web 3.0 networks will operate through blockchain and cryptocurrency technology and automated through smart contracts. Smart contracts are basically pieces of software code that exist with the blockchain and allow the network to store information in a transparent and unchangeable way. Smart contracts are like a series of statements written as code on the blockchain. This information can be accessed at any time. Not only do they define the rules of an agreement like a normal contract, they also execute the rules of the contract too, which will completely change how business is conducted and operated. Applications like Filecoin illustrate how business will change. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system. Unlike cloud storage companies like Amazon Web Services or Cloudflare, which face the problems linked to centralization, Filecoin can protect the integrity of a data's location, making the data easy to retrieve and hard to censor. People will be the custodians of their own data. Although we are still in the Web 2.0 phase of the internet, there are already some Web 3.0 applications and websites. Apple's virtual assistant Siri is an example of an application that uses Web 3.0 technology. Siri does things such as make calls or send text messages on your behalf if you cannot. It also offers suggestions like texting someone to say you are running late. Another example of an app many people use that leverages machine learning is Snapchat. The filters used on Snapchat are only made possible through machine learning. Snapchat uses facial recognition so the algorithm can understand where to attach all the extra features on a face. The defining features of Web 3.0 will be decentralization, trustlessness, permissionlessness, artificial intelligence, machine learning, 3D graphics, blockchain, cryptocurrency, the metaverse, NFTs, and smart contracts. There are many benefits of Web 3.0 to look forward to, data ownership being a very important benefit. Tech giants will no longer be able to control and use data. Another benefit is the need for fewer intermediaries, making transactions faster and cheaper. The third benefit of Web 3.0 is transparency, more efficient web searching, personalized internet experiences, and more laser-targeted marketing. With Web 3.0, however, there will also be a few inconveniences. Some gadgets will have to be replaced or upgraded to access the Web 3.0. Regulating will become very difficult and quite difficult to grasp by some new users. Plus, Web 1.0 and Web 2.0 websites will seem old and obsolete, and owners will be forced to modernize them to remain competitive. It will become easier to get information about someone's private life, and more time will be spent online. So that's what Web 3.0 is, with its pros and its cons. Thanks so much for watching this video. To support our channel, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.